Another little project for me to do now. The fence panels are blown down over there. I'm going to replace the gate and then just have concrete posts in there instead of wooden posts, and get them to be all the way down the side of the shed as well. Going for the tongue and groove fences, and they're not 6 foot, they're 1.8 meters in width and in height. I've got a post as well there just to set the gate on the post. So we've got 6 gravel boards that's going to sit at the bottom of the fence panels, in between the posts. So 6 there, and around here I've had delivery of 7 concrete fence posts, and these are the Postcrete rapid set concrete to set the posts in. And now I'm pitching them out to what I believe to be right for each of the posts. If I do need to alter it a little bit, I'll dig all the holes just so that I'm somewhere near in there. If I do need to elongate it a little bit, I can do that afterwards. But you can see the holes. So there's one there, there's 3, and now I'm going to just try and get that post out. So that should come out easy enough. So that's the old post, and that will also tell me that I'm deep enough to for the next post, but I'll measure it anyway in line with the other gravel boards. Well, what I've done is I put the post in, and to get it where I need it to be, I'll still put some spirit levels on it, but so that it don't move, I just put a bit of timber this side and that side just to give me an idea of where I need to position it, and then I can actually get that square and get it square that way, and just adjust these bits until I got it right. Okay, well I've put the gravel board down now, made it nice and flat. I've got the right distance from the top of the gravel board to where the end of the panel is going to be. It's going to be at the top of the post, and I've got this ready to go in there now. I've strung 2 string lines, one at the top and one at the bottom, just so that gives me an indication of where the line of the fence is going to go. So the next point is now is to put the post in for this one. Put the panel on here, then put the post in, make sure it's nice and square. So that's what we'll do now. I've got the fence panel in now, on top of the thing, on top of the gravel wall. I've measured it, ensured it's square in there and on there. I'm going to put this second post in now, which isn't exactly light, but I'll have a go. Got a piece of wood here to make sure it goes in there. Push it over to now I'll put the bucket of water and the postcrete in there now. I'll check it with the levels first. Right, the panel's in, postcrete's gone in, bucket of water and a bag and a half of postcrete. I've measured it, I've made it spirit level, square there, square that way, so that's alright. So now I'm going to actually create a new gravel board area for the next post. We've got the third panel back on now, so it's all going well. I'm putting at least a bag and a half of postcrete into the hole because the holes are a bit big. But I'm also stepping them down by about an inch and a half all the way down because the ground is falling away as it goes to the back of the garden. But the third one's on, so I'm going to do the fourth one now. And it's going well. I've got almost all of the panels on now. I've got one more to do at the back of the shed. I've concreted down as I was being stepped down. It's birds as they're being stepped down. I need to go down slightly as I go down towards the back of the garden. I got this last one in now. I've been using that post to with a string attached. You can see on the very top there. To give me my line. Well, I'm going to be taking that last one out now, and if I'm going to take that last one out, I'm going to lose my line sight. But I need to take it out because the hole is quite close to where I need to take that post out. So I put a new post in. So what I might thought of doing, probably out of focus there. What I might have thought of doing is I got let me just make sure you can see it. I got a window washing pole, extendable pole. I'm going to tie wrap it to the last but one panel there, and extend it so that it gives me my sight line for the rest of the panels. That's just my idea. Whether that's right or wrong, or whether you can think of a different way of doing that, then great. But that was what I just thought of. I'm just going to tie wrap. So falling off my head. And hopefully that'll give me the extension. Will also give me a drop measurement, roughly a drop measurement down for how deep I need to go to dig the post, because it's slightly stepped down, so I need to not dig so far down. To keep a regular step down. Right, so I've finished the fencing now. I've got the concrete posts in, got the gravel board in, we've backfilled where the post went, done all the way along, right through back of the shed, and then right to the very end, to the perimeter. I've also put in a wooden spike there, because what I'm going to be doing from that point there is going this way with a post and rail fence, and to the back garden the other way with a post and rail fence, and then probably put some chicken wire or something over that fence to stop the rabbits and things coming through. But that seems to be complete. What I intend to do now is create a gate for there. I was hoping to have a company make a bespoke gate for me. They said on the internet that that's what they do, but when I actually approached them to do it, they said they no longer do it. So I thought I'll have a go. So I bought some tongue and groove pieces. I bought some bracing woods as well, and a couple of hinges. So I'm going to create my own gate in that position there, just there. I've on the post there, I've cemented right to roughly where a patio slab will go, but I've actually had the cement roll off so that any water that falls down there will just roll off into the garden. And then you can see down there as well, grass needs cutting, really. So that's down that way. So now the next step is the gate.